Good morning, children. Welcome to today's math class. Today we start our new chapter. The fifth chapter, Shapes and Designs. In this chapter, we shall learn more about shapes. As you all know, there are two types of shape. They are classified as plane shapes and solid shapes. Do you know the difference between plane shape and solid shape and what they are? Of course, plane shapes are plane figures which have only sides and corners. Plane shapes are plane figures having sides and corners. But solid shapes are solid figures having sides, corners and faces also. They are three-dimensional figures. Correct? Yes. And you all know the plane shapes are triangle, rectangle, square and circle. Okay. You are very familiar with solid shapes also. Isn't it? Yes. Can you say the shapes names that you have learned from your second standard? Yes. They are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Solid shape has no sides, but we call it as the sides. We call the sides as edges. In solid shapes, we call the sides as edges. And for corner, in solid shapes, we use another word for corner. That is vertex. What is the word? Vertex or vertices. If it has more than one corner, then we use the word vertices. Okay, so we learn two words, edges and vertex. Okay, so in solid shape, we call sides as edges. Edges are two kinds. Do you know that? There are two kinds of edges. Yes, they are straight edge and curved edge. There are two types of edges, straight edge and curved edge. You all know there are two types of lines, isn't it? Yes. Which are they? Yes, straight line and curved line. Straight line and curved line. So these all are straight lines. Having straight line. These objects having straight lines. But this is made up of a curved line. Using a curved line. This and this. So there is a difference between straight line. Straight line. This is a straight line and this is a curved line. You all know that. Okay. Like in solid shapes, we have straight edge and curved edge. Straight edge and curved edge. Okay, can you say some examples for straight edge and curved edge? Yes. Many objects around us having straight edge and curved edge. And many other objects having both straight edge and curved edges. Can you say some examples or some things which have straight edge? Sure, yes. The things or the objects around us having straight edges are, yes, this board having straight edges. Okay, this is straight edge. Okay, some blackboard, doors, windows, then having straight edge, doors, windows, then kite, then box. Many examples. We can say many examples which having straight edges. Okay. Then the same way, Can you say some examples for curved edges? Yes, there are many things having this curved edges. Okay, which are they? Yes. Yes, plates, tires having curved edge. Tires, plates, bowls, glass. Okay, then some erasers. You have some erasers like circle, like curved edge, having curved edge, isn't it? Etc. So there are many objects having curved edge also. Okay, so you have an assignment. Write down the names of things or objects which have curved edges, then straight edges, and having both curved and straight edges. Okay, can anyone tell me the example for having both curved edge and straight edge object? Yes. Yes, we have some type of chairs. Chairs. Some chairs are having straight edge and curved edge. Some chairs, some doors, some windows. Then, any other examples? Yes, look around us. Okay, you can see. You can see many things having this type of edges. Straight edges, curved edges, and both having straight and curved edges. Okay, this is an assignment for you. Write down some things, some objects which has these type of edges. Okay, now observe the things which has curved edges. Okay, curved edges. Now I have an object having curved edge. So this is a battery. So it has only curved edges. Here one edge. Okay, here is also one edge. So look at the shape. Does it has any corner? Just observe the things that which have curved edges. Do these things have any corners? Look here. Does it has any corner? No. The things which have curved edges have no corners. But the things which have straight edges have corners. Isn't it? Yes, I will show you. The things which have, so this is a, okay, straight edge object, a basso. Okay, so this is a straight edge. And does it has any corner? Yes, here is the corner. So this object has many corners. So listen this. The things which have straight edges have corners also. But the things which have curved edges do not have corners. Got the point? Yes. Okay. Now, already you know the names of plane shapes. Okay, we know that. We learned the plane shapes. They are, yes, triangle, rectangle, square and circle. Isn't it? Yes. Let us revise these plane shapes and their properties. Okay, so you have to learn this shapes names and its properties. Okay. First one, let's go through all plane shapes. First one is a triangle. What is this? This is a triangle. Triangle. Which means, yes, this shape, this plane shape has three sides. It is a three-sided figure. 1, 2, 3. That's why it is called as a tri. Tri. We learned that word tri. Okay. Triple century. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is a three-sided figure and it has three corners also. Which are the corners? Yes, these are the corner. 1, 2, 3. So that's a triangle. A triangle is a three-sided figure and it has three corners. Okay, that's the first plane figure, triangle. Study the name and spelling, triangle. Okay, first plane figure. Then the next one is a, what is this? This is a rectangle. Rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided figure and it has four corners also. A rectangle is a four-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle is a four-sided figure. It has four corners. One. This is one corner. Corner, you know the word corner or vertex. Okay, so this is the corner. So it has four corners. Rectangle has four corners. And one more condition is that. What is that? About a rectangle. Yes. Look at the figure carefully. You can say the property. Yes. What is that? Yes, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle has four sides, but opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So these two sides are equal in length. This is the longest side. Okay, so these two sides are equal. The same way, this is the opposite sides. These are another pair of opposite sides. These are equal in length. So that is one more property of a triangle. A triangle has four sides and four corners. And opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal. Clear? Okay, that's the second figure, rectangle. Now what about the fourth plane figure? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a square. Next figure is a square. What is a square? Yes. What's a square? A square is a four-sided figure. Four-sided figure. A square has four sides. Okay. Same way. A rectangle has four sides and four corners. The same way, a square has also four sides and four corners. But there is a special condition about square. What is that? Yes, in a square, all sides are equal in length. Okay, in a square, all sides are equal. Okay, that is the speciality of a square. A rectangle and square having four sides and four corners. But in a square, all sides, four sides, the four sides are equal in length. Okay, that's a square. And the last plane figure, yes, it is very simple. What is that? Yes, it is a circle. What about a circle? Yes, a circle has no sides and no corners. Circle has no sides and no corners. It has a curved line only. It is made up of with a curved line. It has no sides, no corners. It has a curved line only. Okay. So these are the four plane shapes that already we learned. But anyway, let us revise and learn it again. Okay. So study the properties of each plane shapes. and study their names also. Study the spelling correctly. Triangle, rectangle, square, circle. Okay, first study the names. Okay, then learn the properties. Okay, that's all about today's class. Let me conclude my class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.